Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow I'll be going out, and where I'll go I'll show you in the vlog, which you'll have to see it later on. Now it's night time, so I'll have my dinner. So guys, I'm gonna get this carrot and beetroot juice. So I've peeled them. I'm gonna put it in this mix. So this is the next day where I have gone to the cross and it had a chapel besides. So this is how it looks. And then after that I went to the beach and got a really good sunset. That's how much crowd it is because it was Sunday. Then here you enjoy the wave sounds, guys, which is really calm. Hey guys, so I just came back from the beach and this was my outfit. Here down I folded my jeans because it's full of sand, and this was my new jeans. And yep, I just reached. Now I'll have my dinner. So in the evening I made tea. In the big pan I made black tea, and then small pan I made milk tea. And for snack I was boiled corn, which was really yummy and really tasty. Then put the water in the pan. I just showed you how I make it. And this is really good tea powder of Goa, which is really famous, rose tea. It has a good smell and really good black tea. Here the water is boiling, and then now I put the tea powder. I'm showing this because I want you all to see how good that black tea color comes and how good the tea powder is. So here's the alright guys, so now I'm making milk tea. I've done the black tea. So this I've put brown sugar first, that's why the color have come. But I boil and then I'll put the tea powder, which is another one. For black tea I put off rose, which smells really good. And this one I put another one for milk tea, which is really thick. I'll show you. That's for mostly for like dark tea, only like milk. So let it boil and then put the tea powder. So guys, I'm gonna put this tea powder after the water boils. Alright guys, it's boiled now, as you can see. So now we'll put a 1.5 or 2 spoons of tea powder. Alright, so guys, I've put like little bit and then half, but this tea powder is really dark. So now let it boil and then we'll put the milk. It's not that dark as you can see because of this. It's this light. So now let it boil. So guys, I've put the milk and as you can see the color is getting really good. So now let it boil and then it's done. Today morning I had gone to the dentist to check my teeth because my tooth was paining from this side, and I thought it was like a gum or something, but it was a wisdom tooth which had came and it is paining for me. It just came in like last 2 days and it was paining me so much. So then I went to the doctor today as I wasn't getting the appointment on Saturday because it was holiday for the doctor, I guess, I don't know. So today I went and came and they gave me like 2 medicines and still I can't deform it because it's really small and it doesn't have space to come out. So the doctor said, let's see if it comes properly, then it's that. Otherwise you have to remove it. So for now they gave me like tablets and soon after I have to take it 3 times a day. So let me show you guys. So these are the tablets too. So today afternoon I took one. So yep, this one I have to take every day now because of the teeth obviously. And yeah, right guys, now it's 7 o'clock in the evening, so I'll be going to a shower. This is my night suit, pants and top, which is the same set. So yep, I'll meet you all later, or maybe I will end the vlog now only. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.